All right, hey guys, day one over and out. I'm in a place called Pendleton. I'm sorry I didn't film more. It's pretty bleak. It's just fields and fields and fields. I'll tape more in the morning. But this is my room. I'm bagged. My clothes are just ridiculous. But yeah, it's me. Hello. Let's see. Let me get a drink here. Oh, yeah, the room isn't too bad. Lights. Looking for the light. There we go. It's not bad. Not a bad room. Oop. Let's see my face. It's not too bad. Neck got a little burnt. Cheeks got a little burnt. My hair looks wonderful. My voice is a little hoarse because I've been riding all day in the wind, so I'm assuming that's what's happened. I'll take you outside. Take you outside. Got Denny's right beside me, which I did not eat at. I had some chicken earlier. My bike is right there. I covered it a little bit. That cover's been a pain in my ass, I'll tell you. But, yeah, end of day one. Look how pretty it is over there. So nice. This really is a nice area. Tomorrow I'll be in Idaho and then Wyoming. I'm hoping I can make it to Wyoming. So it's just kind of a short video today. I did have some riding that I had earlier, but the battery died, and every time I stopped, it was just to get gas, and it was harsh. It was a harsh ride today. So, yeah, harsh ride for day one. Day one is always harsh, though. Oh, so horrible. I think I'm just gonna lie down, watch a little TV, and I will broadcast more tomorrow for sure. I've got 4 batteries, so I just have to be able to pull over and change the battery, and know when to turn it off. I think I'll put it on the other handlebar nearest the arm that doesn't need to be on the gas. I used a lot of cruise control today because, man, people were moving. I'm not sure what 70 is miles per hour. I'm gonna have to look that up because I was keeping up with the Joneses, but it was really rough. People were just blowing by me. I was like, Jesus Christ, they had to have been going 130. I was going 120 for the most part, 120. So I don't know if that's 70, but I was keeping up with, the slower traffic, but it was fast enough for me to get used to the bike anyway on the highway. This was the first time I went on the highway with it. It was today. Some of the roads were just atrocious. I felt like I was being bounced around in a bouncy castle with just people jumping. But it wasn't too bad. Got through it, so that's good. I feel like I made some good headway. I'm in Oregon. I know I only touched through Oregon, and then I'll be in Idaho first thing in the morning. But yeah, I'm in a place called Pendleton. And like I said, it's just hills as far as you can see, no mountains, and they're all you know, either fields of some sort or they are just brittle looking. So yeah, the bike kept up real good. No issues with it. Gas is a little expensive. Every time I fill, it's about $15-16. I know that doesn't sound like much, but it is. There was one time where I almost ran out of gas. I was so scared. But I just got to a gas station, and that was from empty, and it took $26, $26. But then again, you got to remember, I'm not using regular gas. I have to use I use the mid-grade at a Chevron. I can't even think about affording the highest grade. That's just nope. Sorry. So yeah, today, day 1, Pendleton, Oregon. And I will definitely do a lot more vlogging through the drive. Like I said, it was just a lot to get used to the bike today and stuff like that. So, or the trike. I keep forgetting it's a trike. I got a lot of compliments for it, that's for sure. All the, people on motorcycles waved. It's not like it was anything different. Everybody, like I said, thinks it's really cool looking. All right, guys, so I will talk to you soon. Everything I've done today is great. Just saying. All right, I'm signing off. Love you. Bye.